Welcome! If you're looking to stay updated every time someone mentions you on a pin you've saved on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on push notifications for mentions on your saved pins, so you never miss a thing. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the very top, tap on your profile picture again. This will open up your main profile settings. Next, look for the notifications option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of different notification categories that Pinterest offers. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Pins You Saved. Under this section, tap on Mentions. This is where you can customize how you want to be notified whenever someone mentions you on a pin you've saved. You'll see a few different notification options, but for this tutorial, we want to make sure you get push notifications directly to your device. Under the section that says, "How do you want to be notified?" simply toggle on the Push option. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications for mentions on your saved pins. From now on, whenever someone mentions you, you'll get a notification right on your device, so you can jump in and join the conversation instantly. If you ever want to turn these notifications off, just follow the same steps and toggle the push option back off. Staying connected and engaged on Pinterest is easy when you have the right notifications set up. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. See you next time.